Hey, liquidation, where do I buy from? You want to find out? Listen here. Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm going to give you just a quick short list of the places that I buy from for liquidation. I'm standing here on my dock with my pond in my backyard. Love the scenery, so enjoy it while I'm talking. Some of the places that I buy from are, first and foremost, I buy primarily from BulQ. These are places that ship directly to my front door, and this is the reason why I buy from them, because of the convenience of them shipping to my front door. There's varying different degrees of types of things that you can buy. You can buy new, used, liquidation, salvage, all those kinds of things. But I'm just going to give you a quick list of where I buy from. So first I said BulQ. BulQ.com is one of my primary providers for liquidation. My second provider that I usually buy from is VIA Trading, has been a place that I have purchased from, and I enjoy their products. I got a lot of new makeup. Check out the videos I got for that one. Another place is Blue Lots. Blue Lots is a place that I have found really good, high quality stuff. It's usually higher end clothing, so I'm paying a little bit more, but I'm usually getting more in return. A higher sales rank, but usually it seems like that stuff kind of sells. So even though it doesn't have a high sales rank, I think it's because I don't have a lot of competition. Another place that I've purchased from is 888 Lots. I've gotten some new product from them. They're a good source as well. These are all online liquidation sources. Some places require a reseller certificate. Most of them do not, but some do. So just be aware of that. Another place is Smash Lots. I've gotten some good quality product from Smash Lots. Most of these places, when I order, I usually get stuff shipped to me within a week. And so that's one thing that's really, really nice too. So you can go out and retail source while you're waiting for your box and then come home and have tons of product to list. Another place is OEM Experts. I just started receiving stuff from OEM Experts. It's been really good, high quality. I received a low-end product box, which just doesn't mean that the product is low-end, but it just means it's their lower priced items. And so check out my OEM Experts unboxing to see exactly what you can get from them. But I bought all new product from them. And then last but not least, I have also ordered from AML Experts. Or not AML Experts, I'm sorry, I mixed it up. AML Liquidation, also known as Palletbid.com. And so those are just a list of liquidation places that ship directly to my front door. You can get things like truckloads, pallet loads, and boxes from them. And so check those guys out. I'll try to link them all in the bottom so that you have a way to get to them. And some of them I have a referral code, so please feel free to put that in just so they know that you got the info from me. I don't really get a kickback on it, but it's nice to know where they get the info, and then it also encourages them to, you know, continue to sell to me. So I hope this has been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.